Pig leg porkers out of Nashville, Tennessee. Been all over, been cooking barbecue forever, man. Carey, thank you for being up here with us.
Yeah, I appreciate the introduction. I'm flattered. Today we're going to do a little smoked turkey.
Awesome, man.
So I'm going to take this turkey now, get the neck out, get the giblets out, and we're going to take a mixture of salt and pepper. And you're just going to get you a big old handful like this. And you're going to take it up in the cavity, and you want to rub it and get it all up in that cavity, kind of grind it in. So next thing I'm going to do is I've got yellow onions, and I've got just regular old oranges. I'm going to take these, and I'm going to quarter them, and then I'm going to put them into eighths. And you take these, and these oranges and onions, and you're going to stuff them in the cavity.
All the aromatics and the flavors going to come through.
And I'm going to take this bird, and I'm going to smoke it. And I'm going to smoke it on about 250 to 300. And it's going to run it pretty slow, and it's going to take it up. You're going to get a nice color on here. You know, and these pellet smokers are perfect for this.
Beautiful slices like that.
Yep.
Nice. So while he's slicing this up, Carey's famous turkey, we're going to do some samples for you guys. So this turkey looks amazing. I got to get in there and get a little bit of this and show you guys how this. That skin is really what I'm after. Here we go, guys. Get you some of that. Again, thank you all coming for first annual Denver BBQ Festival. We got a little rain here, but you know what? Barbecue's good in any weather.
That's right.
We can cook in rain, snow, sleet, hail.
We won't melt. I might rust, but we won't melt.
He might rust, but he won't melt. That's right.